Hi guys. So, just letting you know the shift slash chemise slip shift, whatever you want to call it, has already been finished. It's been done for a while, and I did a video about it, but I went to go upload the video, and I was like, "This sounds terrible. Let me redo it." So I've been busy. So let me just start with this. So I finished the sleeves. They're pinned up right now. And if look, I got it done. I got the sleeves on there correctly. Giant thanks to Morgan Donner. Her gusset video is like awesome to watch when struggling with a gusset sleeve. So here it is. It does fit me, and I decided to wait to make any darts or anything to make it fit me better after I put the sleeves on and sewed it all up. So yeah, the back is very baggy, but I'm gonna do that later. Excuse me. So the other sleeve, and then here's the front bodice. Yes, it is going to have a lining, but I put it up there so I could see how the sides would turn out. It's been a while since I've made a dress like this, and this is going to be one of my fancy dresses, so I needed to make sure that I did this correctly. So yeah. That's why it's yellow. That's why this slip is yellow, is to go with that. And I have so this is the pieces that I need to finish. This is the whole front bodice piece, except for the top part. So this is mostly the skirt, actually. Ignore this pattern, ignore this fabric. This is the mock fabric that I was using, and so now I need to roll out the lining of the dress and then transfer these pieces onto stub my toe onto the Oh, I dropped you. I'm sorry. I did not mean to drop you. That was an adventure. Anyways, ha 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 ha. So I need to transfer these pieces from the mock fabric to the lining fabric. And then so there's a lot of steps. I have it written down. I just have talking out top of my head. And then I'm going to stitch everything onto the lining, cut it out, and then stitch all the pieces again separately. And then I get to pin it to the back part, safety pin it to the back part, try it on, and then going from there. Definitely. It's a lot to do, and I've done a lot, but I'm so happy with myself. Woohoo! Alright, catch you guys later. Bye.